So we recently got our faucet, sink, and accessories in the mail, so I thought it'd be fun to end this video with a little unboxing, show you guys what we got and all of the details. I am so excited. This is like my dream sink and faucet setup, and the brand that we went with is Kraus. Their website has got so many beautiful sinks and faucets. It was so hard to just choose one. Okay, so let's unbox this faucet first. I'm really excited to see this in person. The faucet is inside of this black box. It's up here. I knew that I wanted to go with a matte black faucet, and I ended up deciding to go with this coil design. This one's called the Bolden single handle commercial kitchen faucet. This would be the nozzle end that would connect right here, so you can pull it out to hose out your sink, and then it will clip right back in here. It's just a beautiful dream faucet. I cannot wait to get this thing installed in the kitchen, and it is amazing quality. You can tell just how high quality it is just by handling the different pieces. I'm just holding it here above my sink so that I can dream about one day when it's going to be above my sink. Our countertop keeps getting delayed because we keep having to spend the money for the countertop, and now that we're going to have to put this total wall on the outside of the house, it might be another 2 months before we get new countertop, and I can't install the sink and the faucet until we get the new countertop. So it's killing me to have these beautiful pieces and not be able to install them. Okay, so there is the faucet that we got, and now I'm gonna unbox our sink and show you that, because it is a Workstation sink, which is going to be so amazing. I've got some different accessories to show you guys that are going to be compatible with the Workstation sink. Okay, so our beast of a sink is inside this giant box. It's a 32-inch undermount Workstation sink bowl stainless steel kitchen sink, so it is stainless steel. And it is the Workstation sink, so it comes with all of these accessories here. I could not decide if I wanted to go with a farmhouse sink or an undermount sink. I just ultimately went with the stainless steel undermount because I think it will be the most practical for us. Here is the cutting board that comes with the undermount sink. It's got all your care and cleaning instructions for this cutting board. Your mounting hardware for undermount installation. And here is that awesome black roll-up dish drying mat. Okay, now it's time to reveal the sink. This thing is huge. It's going to be so amazing. Here is the dish rack that goes on the bottom of the sink, and we will pull back some of this black cloth to unveil the beautiful sink. Okay, here's a peek at this gorgeous stainless steel sink. I mean, look at that shine. And then right here, they've got the Kraus label in the sink. This is where your drain would be. I like that it's over to the side like this. And then I've got all of this space for washing dishes. This is the type of sink that I love. I love a huge deep sink. I don't like sinks that have dividers. We had a great big sink like this at the rental, and I loved it so much more than my sinks that I've had with dividers. Okay, so this is their stainless steel colander, and this is why I chose the Workstation sink. Like, how awesome is that you can just set that on there, wash your fruit in here or your veggies. This is just going to be amazing. Okay, so next we have this accessories board, which sits right in that little notch. And then I chose one of their colander bowls, and then this will just fit right in there. I mean, this is just, I am just beyond excited, you guys. I just think that a Workstation sink is genius, and I will have everything that I've showed you linked down below. If any of this excited you that you want to go and look at it and maybe purchase it for your kitchen. Kraus did send all of this over to us for our kitchen, which we are so grateful for. I cannot wait to show you guys what this all looks like once it is installed.